Yo, what up, what up? It's your boy C's from theclife.com, and yo, I just want to be like super real for a second, cause today I just woke up just a little agitated, no particular reason, but then it just carried on with me through the day. And I think I might have figured it out. I think that, whatever brand that I think that I'm building, right? I just have like a persona. I'm putting this brand on like a pedestal, like it's the greatest thing ever. But yet I don't quite know what it is yet, I'm still trying to figure that out as I go along. And I'm just gotta just be real and just be like, yo, don't take myself too seriously, you know what I'm saying? I'm just a regular dude from Brooklyn, you know what I'm saying? Living in Boston right now. So whatever persona or my ego think this sort of deal is, I just gotta just take a back seat and be like, yo, why are you taking yourself so seriously? I didn't get into this field to take myself seriously. I want to just offer value, to as many people as I possibly can, and just simultaneously just experience more cool things, right? And do more cool things. So that's something that I just gotta continue to work on, because like right now I just tripping basically, I just wanna just do my own thing, go at my own pace. Like I tell my clients all the time, go at your own pace, but don't slack, right? And why is it so hard for us to take our own advice, right? I have no clue, but that's something I'm just going to continue to work on, because, I want to have fun with this, and everything that I do, I just want it to be fun and like experience it to the max, because I'll never get this opportunity again, right? You start it, you go on this journey, and you experience each moment after moment, because like I said in the previous season, like you never know like what it'll take to get you over that hump. So can't miss the signs, can't miss the hunches, can't just continue to spin your wheels all the time. Just go through the flow, enjoy the process, each moment, and yeah, you're in it for the long haul, because that meter, when I get to a set goal, that finish line just gets pushed a little bit further. It's never ending. So that's something I gotta constantly remind myself and constantly put out there into the ether, to constantly like wire it into my brain till I understand and get it that, yo, this is a process, enjoy the process, and try to optimize each time, right? And I'm looking to help as much people as possible, so I can't just, it's not about me, right? Can't just be about me. I gotta constantly just hammer away at this until I get it and I can optimize it, and then I can scale it, right? That's as simple as it sounds, but these are the simple battles that I battle with every single day. Anyways, enough talking. Gotta just do the action, man. Thank you.